It's day 2 of the Mahakumbh in Prayagraj, and with regard to the Makar Sankranti, the Amrit Snan visuals that are coming in, incredible to say the least. Let's take a look at the latest images on your screen. Millions of devotees took the holy dip, and which is being called as the Amrit Snan at the Mahakumbh. Seers, Naga Sadhus first, and then members of the public also took the holy dip. This specially holds a lot of significance given the occasion, and of course lakhs of people were part of this congregation. This was the day as ash-smeared Naga Sadhus and Seers arrived at the Triveni Sangam for the first Amrit Snan. Procession of the Sadhus before the Chai Snan involved thousands of Seers. Makar Sankranti 2025 marks the first Snan of the Mahakumbh, considered auspicious and significant. Full-on protocol, timetable, schedules that were observed to ensure a smooth and safe passage for one and all. 13 akhadas of the Sanatan Dharma are taking the holy dip on the Makar Sankranti, and then next will come on the Basant Panchami. Akhadas have received information about specific dates. All of that will have to be predetermined work. A lot of responsibility, remember, on the shoulders of the administration to ensure all of this is as per protocol and without inconvenience to anyone. And not just members of the Indian Hindu community, devotees from across the world were also gathering for this congregation, especially associated with the akhadas, singing devotional songs and mantras that were being chanted by devotees across the world. Swami tum antarayami, Pahar Brahma Parameshwar, Pahar Brahma Parameshwar, Tum sabke Swami, Om Jai Jagadish Hare, Tum Karuna. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath extending wishes of Makar Sankranti to one and all, interacting also with the devotees at Gorakhpur, while of course the administration and the CM fully focused on what's unfolding in Prayagraj. Through the chopper, these flower showers were for the devotees on the ground. There was a thick blanket of smog and fog and also dipping temperatures, and yet despite all of this, lakhs of people were on the ground at the Mahakumbh, which is being seen as world's largest spiritual gathering as well. It has kicked off and it is day 2. Makar Sankranti was the occasion when the Amrit Snan started, and we are told that over 1 crore people today itself managed to take the holy dip. And remember, this number will only increase in the next 45 days. The first Snan is special. It holds a lot of significance, is considered auspicious, and 13 akhadas were participating in it. While the Mahakumbh is done after 12 years, this one is being considered as more special with regard to the celestial combinations. And remember, we are talking about crores of devotees from across the world, and not just from the Indian community, but for example, Steve Jobs' widow, Laureen Powell, is one of the disciples. There is no rich or poor here at Prayagraj. She may be a billionaire, otherwise today associated as a sadhvi with the akhada, she's also set to take the holy dip. And India today is on the ground right now. Akshita Nandgopal sent us this ground report.
Behind me is the Anand Akhada, and they're walking along these pontoon bridges that have been put up to get to the other side of the Triveni Sangam. And it's there that you'll really have these akhadas going ahead and taking the holy dip, the Amrit Snan. And no one else, all other devotees will not be allowed there. We are a little ahead to walk with them, but remember that it will be, in fact, all of the devotees who are part of the akhada who will be walking first, including the Naga Sadhus. They'll be up front. We've been advised caution around them. They're extremely temperamental. They're not exactly media friendly, which is why we're also ensuring that we give them this space, because they are, of course, here for the Mahakumbh experience. But you can hear the chants of Har Har Mahadev as they make their way through towards the other side of the ghat. But these are shows of strength, if you will, by each akhada. 13 akhadas in all that are a part of, in fact, this particular event of this particular Mahakumbh, which is all the officially recognized akhadas. And after the flags that you see here, massive ones that are put up, and then you have the numbers really of the akhada, all of them coming together in large numbers to show their strength. And that's what this is about. Each akhada bringing thousands of people together, bringing all of the saint sadhus from different parts of the country, all of them being brought here. to be a part of the Mahakumbh, which is why I say that for all of the akhadas participating, it's also a show of strength. It's a show of their Sanatan Dharma. It's a show of what they believe in, their spirituality, their faith. And you can hear that also in the chants all around me as they continue to chant Har Har Mahadev and make their way forward. You see them, of course, with drums. You see them also, many of them also have talwars, swords, but they're moving forward. And here you have how really the akhada goes into the water. The entire area is cleared off. No devotees are allowed directly. It's only the sadhus who are part of this akhada who are allowed in. And that's why you see all of the enforcement and monitoring around me, because they consider it a sacred rite of passage of sorts for them. For them to attain moksha, they believe that it should be only them in the water. So all the sadhus getting together, all of them part of the akhada. So these are the images right now of how they go about the entire process. Very few people beyond those who are part of the akhada are actually allowed inside. So that's why you see devotees all lined up on the side, all just standing and watching, and will wait till the sadhus finish, and only then will they continue with their holy dip in this entire stretch. What you see now is the akhada making its way back. All of the members making their way back to the akhada after going ahead and taking a holy dip. You can see the welcome that they're receiving from devotees, all chanting together Har Har Mahadev as they walk across, and scores of devotees lined up on either side of the road to welcome them back after they took that holy dip. You see this display of spirituality, of what's referred to as Sanatana Dharma. For them, the next 45 days, of course, they are going to be here. But the most important day, on the occasion of Makar Sankranti, they've been here. They've gone ahead and taken that Amrit Snan. So in a sense, for the years that they've been waiting to do this at the Mahakumbh, they've been able to fulfill their duty and take that step towards attaining moksha. With video journalist Sachin Chandok, this is Akshata Nandagopal reporting from the Mahakumbh in Prayagraj for India Today.
लाखों की संख्या में श्रद्धालुजन अभी से वहां डुबकी लगा रहे हैं, पुण्य के भागीदार बन रहे हैं। उसमें देश और दुनिया से आए हुए सनातन धर्मावलंबी तो हैं ही, साथ साथ सनातन धर्म के प्रति आकर्षित तमाम विदेशी श्रद्धालु भी इस महाकुंभ के साक्षी बन रहे हैं।
अभी भी रश संगम नोज पे चल रहा है। हमारे सारे अधिकारी वहाँ लगे हैं। हम लोगों ने जो व्यवस्था की थी ड्रोन से कवरेज कराने की, और अंडर वाटर वो भी ड्रोन्स हम लोगों ने प्रोक्योर किए थे। इन सभी तकनीकों का हम लोगों ने उपयोग जो पहली बार कर रहे थे किया है, और इस कुंभ का जो भव्य और डिजिटल आयोजन हो रहा है, इन चीज़ों के कारण आम जनता को काफ़ी सहूलियत मिली है। और कहीं से भी प्रयागराज क्षेत्र में और पूरे प्रदेश में कहीं से भी कोई अप्रिय घटना घटने की सूचना अभी तक नहीं मिली है।
So clearly patrols on horse, on boats, and of course deployment extensively from the Rapid Action Force, CRPF, to the state police. Listen in now to what the seers have to say, because in many ways it is considered most auspicious with regard to them as well.
हर हर महादेव शंभो काशी विश्वनाथ गंगे, हर हर महादेव शंभो काशी विश्वनाथ गंगे, काशी विश्वनाथ गंगे, माता अन्नपूर्णा संगे, काशी विश्वनाथ गंगे, माता अन्नपूर्णा संगे, हर हर महादेव शंभो काशी विश्वनाथ गंगे, हर हर महादेव शंभो काशी विश्वनाथ गंगे। नंदे नाचे भृंगी नाचे, नाचे देवलोक सारा हो, नंदी नाचे भृंगी नाचे, नाचे देवलोक सारा हो। अपने धुन पे गणपति नाचे, अपने धुन पर गणपति नाचे, जय जय जयकारा, हर हर महादेव शंभो काशी विश्वनाथ गंगे हर हर महादेव शंभो काशी विश्वनाथ गंगे।
अब वो उसको स्नान करना है, वो मेरे शिविर में है अभी। उसको थोड़ी सी उसके हाथ में एलर्जी हो गई है, तो वो कभी इतनी भीड़ में नहीं रही। बहुत सरल है वो, बहुत सरल है, बहुत सहज है वो इतनी भीड़ में कभी नहीं रही। और उसको थोड़ी सी हाथ में एलर्जी हो गई है, तो उस कारण जो है वो स्नान में अभी नहीं आई। वो अकेले जा करके उसको स्नान करेंगी। वो मैं उसको स्नान की व्यवस्था कराऊंगा, वो स्नान करेंगी। लेकिन मेरा भाव है कि वो हमारे साथ पूजन में रुकी, रात्रि पूजन में रही, हमारे साथ हवन में रहेगी, हमारे साथ पूजन में रहेगी, अभिषेक में रहेगी।
Remember, it's as much about, of course, the seers, the sadhus, but the devotees from across the world who have decided to descend to India. Many of them curious visitors to see what is unfolding in this gathering in India and with the kind of colors and numbers that we see. So here's a word from the spiritual devotees who are currently on the ground.
Nick, first of all, namaste. What's it been like?
Actually, unbelievable. It's so energizing, and the atmosphere was so friendly and warm, and it was actually quite almost peaceful when we were right in there in the middle of the night, but it's now getting really big. I mean, millions of people are here. There's no doubt about it. There are absolutely millions of people.
Cold?
Only initially. My biggest regret is that I didn't spend longer in the Sangam.
Okay.
I feel like I did my 3 dips and then I came out and I wish I'd stayed longer.
So what's your...
So I'm going back.
You're going back?
I'm going back, yeah.
What's the emotion that you went through? You know, seeing these crowds, seeing the Kumbh Mela, seeing the Mahakumbh. You've been here from last night, right?
Yes.
So what's it been like, you know, seeing all of this and witnessing it?
Words cannot describe the devotion and the warmth and the energy. It's incredibly powerful, and you know you're getting closer and closer from the train station, and you're just sensing it, and then when you're at the Sangam, it is intense.
So I've got some visitors here on the Mahakumbh who've come all the way from Mongolia. Hello, hi, namaste. How are you finding the Mahakumbh?
It's very beautiful. A lot of people out here. Love the Ganga. We had a dip just now. Felt really refreshed. Very grateful to witness all the gurus and babas that has been participating in this beautiful solar event, you know.
How did all of you find out about the Mahakumbh?
Well, we were doing this training, yoga training, and my friend Edo suggested us. He was like, this year there's going to be Mahakumbh, but we were like, what is that? And he explained a little, and we read about it, and we decided that we have to be here, and we came here, and we're really enjoying out here. It was nice, it was very special, and it's not like very scary or something, because we're from Mongolia, you know, we're same Asian people, and for us to come and be part of all these people, you know, all this crowd, be together with them and have a dip in the Ganga, it was a little bit cool in the beginning, but when I just got in, it was warm and really enjoyed it, and this is really amazing here, and didn't have any expectations, but feels so awesome, so amazing.
You have taken your bath, Amrit Snan, हो गया?
हाँ जी.
हो गया.
Yeah, हो गया.
बहुत खुश हैं.
मोक्ष हो गया.
मोक्ष हो गया है. You were cleaning. आप साफ कर रहे थे रास्ता. Why?
Soni Seva in Vraj Mandal is a very important seva. Parikrama Marg, making way, the Marg for Sadhu Marg, here to Triveni Sangam, to Moksha Marg. It's natural in Vrindavan, Vraj above, to be making Soni Seva.
हिंदी बोलते कम है पर दोहे आपको पूरे याद हैं.
Vraja doha. Sabe anga gunahina hum tako jatana na koe eka kishori kripate jo kachu hoy so hoy. I think also when Krishna in Sri Bhagavad Gita says Sarva dharman parityaja mamekam sharanam vraja aham tvam sarva papebhyo mokshaishyami ma suchaha. I think when he says sharanam vraja, the reason is because Kishori Kripa. Jai Jai Shri Radhe, Radhe Radhe. Har Har Mahadev, Jai Jai Shri Radhe.
Ma'am, tell me first of all, everyone talks about spirituality, about the energy you feel at Mahakumbh. Do you think so? Did you feel that energy while you're here?
Absolutely, and I think it's a place for reverence, and so many gurus and all are here, so I feel the energy of the whole place is really high, and I feel each and every person attending this Kumbh Mela is a devotee and has come with so much devotion and faith. We see seas and seas of people coming from all walks of life, from all over India. No compulsion, hardships, difficulties. It's winter season, and yet everybody is going there and taking the dip in the Sangam, where the Triveni is there. That's Ganga, Yamuna, and Saraswati. I think is the most spiritual thing.
Renalika, what brings you to the Kumbh? Very often people think that the younger generation not so much into spirituality, not so much into religion.
I mean, I'm also a yoga enthusiast, and I've always been inclined towards the spiritual aspect of life. So when I did hear that some of my family members were planning this, I was like, I'm jumping right onto that bandwagon to actually come here and experience it for myself. Also, it being Mahakumbh, not sure if I'm going to be able to do it the next time around. So did want to experience this for myself, and I think that even though there's so many millions of people who've come here, the crowds it's overwhelming at first, but somehow in the middle of the chaos, you really seem to find the calm. And this is my first experience. I got my mom here, and it's pretty nice and awesome.
So it's lived up to your expectations. What are you going to go back home and tell your friends about this? What's the one standout experience going to be for you?
I would definitely say that they should experience this they should experience this at least once in their lifetime. It is a one-time opportunity for sure. Also to take back, just the idea of to come here and to cleanse and to re-energize and rejuvenate, I think is very important for all of us.